Hello everyone, it's me Himraj Chimaria, student ID Dan3028. Here I'm going to present myself in a short presentations, and I'm very glad to my lecturer giving me this golden opportunity to present myself on the topic of this free financial management. And when we go through the three financial management questions, we especially talk about the three topics, especially like capital budgeting, capital structure, and working capital management. In case of the capital budgeting, it is the source to manage the long-term investment because this is the way to know about the choice of the referent. In case of the capital structure, when we go, it's simply the presentation of the company's equity and the debt. Here, next important topic, that is working capital management. It is especially with the current assets and the current liabilities. Mainly we can say that working capital management deals with the daily operating activities of the company. Next, when we go to the fact findings of the listing on the ASX, there are so many advantages and the disadvantages on being listed on the ASX. When we go to the advantages, we have transparency and the efficiency. Besides, advanced visibility and the increased fund is also the one of the advantages. We can increase the fund and the advanced visibility. Whereas when we go to the disadvantages and the problems, we can miss some informations, or due to the transparency, there might be the leakage of the confidentiality, or no less confidentiality, or leaking of informations. To be being listed on the ASX, the given fee structure is designed and it's clearly shown in the slides. When we go through the fact findings of the listing on the ASX, there are certain criteria or the requirement to be listed in the ASX, like on the basis of number of shareholders. A company should include minimum of Australian dollar 2,000 non-affiliated investors. Besides, the company, for the free float, it should be 20% as per the ASX. But some officials, they said that this free float only apply only at the time of being listed, not while applying. In the criteria of the company size, they can check by the asset test also or the profile test also. In case of the asset test, a total of Australian dollar 15 million of market capitalization should be there, or we have choice of 4 million Australian dollar tangible assets also. When I go through the company size, in case of the profile test, then a company which wishes to apply should have an aggregate profit of 1 million Australian dollar for the past 5 years. In case of the criteria of the company size, there are some steps to be listed in the ASX. Like so many steps are there in the procedures, listing procedures. Then first case, appointment of the advisor will be there, and we'll go for the preparation work, and institutional marketing commercial program also starts. Then after, we can lodge the prospectus with ASIC. Further, ASX will go for the process of listing application, and they will offer the marketing and the offer period. Finally, or eventually, the offer will be closed and the trading will commence and the shares will be allocated. This was for my presentation, short presentation. I'm going to close. Thank you everyone.